Welcome back to another Shopney video tutorial. In this video, I will be walking you through how to create sub-collections. Just before we start, let me explain what sub-collections do for you. So basically, sub-collection is a feature that allows you to further categorize your products, giving your customers a more guiding shopping journey. It is a feature that enables you to list multiple collections under it. So there is no limitation to it. One important note about sub-collection is this is available for our Gold Plan subscribers and above. All right, I guess we can start. So to be able to create sub-collections, you would have to navigate to your menu navigation tab and look for sub-collections element in the menu panel. Drag and drop it over to your main menu. So I would like to um, put it just beside showcase, right? Now that I have the sub collections, I can click on it and then I can rename this element as just collections. By the way, you would see, as you know, in the menu navigation panel, you would have this view wherein you can see where the changes were made. So as you can see here, the collections, this sub collections is, I'm using the bottom bar design for my menu navigation or the bottom bar style. So the collections is underneath here. And then I can go ahead and simply select my display type. Now, for all of the display types, basically it allows you to create custom images for your sub collections for type 1, 2, and 4. For type 3, you don't need to have your own custom image for the sub collections that you would create because it will be a listed view. Right. Now, let's go ahead for this example. I'll go ahead and select type 4, wherein there will be custom images as I've mentioned for each of the sub collections that I will create. I can further customize this, and now it allows me to select the collections that I would create category trees. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and select appliances and then audio, and then maybe I'll do one for um, the mobile phones. Right. I can even um, rearrange the collections right here so that it becomes alphabetized. So it's a simple drag and drop uh, movement, just like what I'm doing right here. So now, as you can see, appliance goes first, then audio, then mobile. I was just doing this so that it's arranged alphabetically. Then I want to make sure that all my collections have really nice, consistent images. So I'm going to go ahead and just add custom images right here. Let me go ahead and add that for the appliances. And then this one for the audio. Let's see. There we go. And then I want to do one for mobile as well. So as you can see, the mobile has already a photo and I just still click um, the customized image icon because I want to make sure again that my sub collection images are consistent and aligned with each other. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a really nice picture. And there you have it. I have my, I can consider this as the mother collections. And then I want to make sure that I also have the sub collections or the category trees. So for under appliances, I might as well just add, um, of course, let's do the air conditioning. The air, and now you will see that it's just been added there to make it a sub collection under appliances. I'm just gonna go ahead and drag it over to appliances. And you would see that there's now an arrow icon that I can expand this with. And there you have it. Air conditioning goes underneath appliances. I want to go ahead and add purifiers as well. And then maybe I could also do blenders. There you go. So I have three appliances that I'm ready to include under appliances. So I'm just dragging that over here as well. And cool. So I'm going to create now, of course, nice images for these three collections. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that out on my, again, I want to make sure that my images are consistent so that it displays really nice on the app. And then the air purifiers. And then I have blenders as well. Blenders. There. Very nice. All right, so now my appliances category tree is done. I want to go ahead and add more for audio. So for audio, what I would pick would be my headphones, headsets, and instrument. So let me just instruments, headphones, and headsets. Cool. So I want to start off with instrument first, and then my headsets and my headphones. So now I can expand this once again. And I can see the sub collections under audio, all good, nice. I'll go ahead and select my images for this one. And then headsets. And then instruments. Very nice. So now I have subcategories or sub collections as well under audio. And then I can go ahead and put something underneath mobile. And with that, I want to add, of course, my cases, my phones, and my chargers. So let's go ahead and add the phones, and then the chargers, and then the cases. Perfect. Now, once again, I want to make sure that they are included underneath mobile. So I'm just dragging that out over to the mobile collection. When I expand that, voila, the collections are here. I want to add once again um, the images for each collection. So underneath cases, I have this one. And then for energy, I have this one. And then another one for phones. Perfect. Super. Okay, now that's pretty much it. Sub collections are all selected and created. Very nice. The images are also aligned and aesthetically consistent. So I can just go ahead and click on done here. And that's it. That's basically how you create your sub collections. Click on save and updates so that your changes will reflect on the preview app. So if you want to see how that particular sub collections looks like, click on the preview button right here. Go ahead and scan the QR code that you see on your screen right here so I can invite you to see how that sub collections will actually look like in your mobile app. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. We are available to you 24/7 via chat. And thank you guys.